how I built a new life with, seriously, just my cell phone. This phone made me more money than my last job. Here's how. You probably use your phone for calls, texts, and social media, but I turned mine into a full-time business. No inventory, no team. Just one decision to say yes to a blueprint that works. Hi, I'm Holly, a mom, a grandmother, and a business mentor. I was 70, in debt, scared, and could not retire. But I found a business that fit me, not the other way around. Now I work a couple hours a day from anywhere, including the beach or my pool. I help others do the same. I'm certified. And I'm not trading time for money anymore. Yahoo! This is ideal for seniors struggling or looking for supplemental income without the fear of running out of money. Between the high cost of living due to inflation, coupled with pensions running scarce sooner than expected, it is frightening. Many seniors today, over 65 to 67%, are going back to work to survive, sadly to say, not by choice. Social Security is not enough to cover just the basic needs, and medical expenses, oh my gosh, are skyrocketing. If you have a phone and Wi-Fi, you have a business all set for you. Go to my site, Holly Pring Daily Pay, or drop info below and I will send you the details. Free to explore. Build now on your terms.